The object of experimental method in physiology and in medicine is to study phenomena in order to becoming their master. This is the first question, and the options are: first one, in order of becoming; second one, in order to become; third one, in the wake of; and fourth one, for the sake of; and fifth one, no correction required. And correct option is B, in order to become. Second question, all these have taken 18 years of tenacious efforts of a handful of social workers and legal academicians who wrote to the Supreme Court about conditions in the home. And the options are: A, all this has taken 18 years of tenacious efforts of; and B, all these have been taking 18 years of tenacious efforts of; and C, all these have been taking 18 years of tenacious efforts of; and D, all this has been taking 18 years of tenacious efforts of; and E, no correction required. And correct option is B, all this have been taking 18 years of tenacious efforts of. Third question, I restrain myself for fear of complicating the argument to too great an extent. Option A, for fear to; option B, myself of fear of; option C, me for fear of; option D, for fearing by; option E, no correction required. Correct option is E, no correction is required. The sentence is grammatically correct. Fourth question, no sooner than he had been elected the CM of Uttar Pradesh, his supporters arranged a reception in his honor in Circuit House. Option A, no sooner he was elected the CM of UP than; option B, no sooner he had elected the CM of UP than; option C, no sooner had he elected CM of UP than; option D, no sooner had he been elected the CM of UP than; option E, no correction required. Correct option is D, no sooner than expresses a negative sense, and for emphasis it is placed first in a sentence and or the clause and are then followed by an inverted form of the verb. That means option D, no sooner had he been elected the CM of UP than. Fifth question, by putting up a building and to give women the opportunity of a protected and normal seeming life after the exploitation what they have been through is only the first step. And the options are: option A, putting on with the building and giving the women; option B, but putting up with a building and to give women; option C, but putting up with the building and giving women; option D, by putting up a building and giving the women; and option E, no correction required. Correct option is D, by putting up a building and giving the women. Sixth question, he has asked his ministers to take the interest to solve the basic problems of the people. And the options: option A, to take the interest in solving of the basic problems of the people; option B, to take the interest in solving the basic problems of the people; option C, to take the interest in solving the basic problem of the people; option D, taking interest in solving the basic problems of people; and option E, no correction required. Correct option is C, corrects the error of definite article, and the answer is to take interest in solving the basic problem of the people. Seventh question, as the vast population in India is living in unhygienic conditions and food is scarce, their vulnerability for tuberculosis increased greatly. Option A, their vulnerability for tuberculosis being increased greatly. Option B, their vulnerability of tuberculosis increases greatly. Option C, their vulnerability to tuberculosis increases greatly. Option D, their vulnerability of tuberculosis increase greatly. Option E, no correction required. Correct option is C, their vulnerability to tuberculosis increases greatly. Eighth question, since the treaty in its present form cannot come into force, foreign minister is selling the line that India has a little to lose by signing it. Option A, because India will not lose by signing it. Option B, that India has little to lose by signing it. Option C, that India has a little to lose to sign it. Option D, as India has a little to lose after signing it. Option E, no correction required. Correct option is B, that India has little to lose by signing it. Ninth question, he passed on very soon after that and his sons took over the entire business. First one, he passed off very soon. Second one, he passed away very soon. And third one, he passed out about very soon. And correct option is D, only two. That is, he passed away very soon is the right answer. 10th question, though the government is facing fiscal constraints to pump prime the economy, the RBI may have headroom to cut rates to support growth. First one, to prime the economy. Second one, to priming the economy. Third one, to pumping the economy. Correct option is E, no correction is required. 11th one, it is believed that foreign portfolio outflows from the equity market triggered by the budget announcement of a hike in the surcharge on income tax is behind the sell-off. First one, it is a belief that. Second one, it been a belief that. Third one, it has been a belief that. Correct option is E, no replacement is required. 12th one, each of the boys in the class were given the task but none of them could finish the same on time. First one, being given the task. Second one, was given the task. Third one, being given the task. Correct option is B. Each of the boys in the class was given the task but none of them could finish the same on time. 13th one, we have seen that the monsoon has reasonably caught up, which should give a boost to agriculture and lead to the revival to some extent of consumption in rural India. First one, boost. Second one, give a boost to. Third one, gave a boost on. Correct option is C, both 1 and 2. That is either boost or give a boost to. So guys, thank you for watching the video. And this is all for today's video. Watch all our videos and hit the subscribe button and bell icon to watch all our videos. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video.